Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got here?
Well, this shirt is for our neighbors.
Yep.
We're going to do a little mommy and me type of looking shirt. Where the mom's is going to match the son's.
Cool, cool. So 2 spirals. Get it all pinned up. The weather's not cooperating today. We already almost started once and it literally started raining before she could finish wringing it out. So we're hoping in the break we can get it done. So we can go shoot some fireworks.
Yep, and go see our baby. Baby spent the night at Grandma and Grandpa's last night.
To the diner.
Okay, so this is going to be Mama Bear's shirt.
And she wanted red, blue, and purple, correct?
Yep.
So what kind of red do we have there?
We have Scarlet.
Scarlet for the red offering. Wonderful choice of red. Good old chunky Scarlet. It's the one with the alginate, I believe.
We got, I'm going to use lavender instead of purple.
Lavender. They'd probably go better with the Scarlet for sure than the purple. But they just make such a good combination together. Alrighty.
Give her some navy blue.
Navy blue. Nice deep blue. Beautiful. Time for the flop. So I guess on this one we have navy blue, scarlet, and lavender. Beautiful red, blue, and purple tie-dye tee. Traditional style. Spiral.
The ones we made last week, our friends and family loved.
They really did.
My cousin looked great in his. He put it on as soon as I gave it to him.
Oh, did he like it? I forgot to ask. Was that what he considered classic tie-dye, man?
Yeah, and Miss Sandra said she wanted one too.
Oh, we can make that happen one
Let
day.
me get my tub.
Alrighty. To the drying rack.
Ugh.
Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.